It has officially been 8 months since I've started using the quantitative trading algorithm from Nurp called the FedBot. And in this video, I want to go over its performance during this duration. So without further ado, let's see how we did. Welcome. If you're new to the channel, my name is Matt Jimenez. I'm an entrepreneur who has worked with the greatest minds in finance over the last several years, and I'm here to pour into you guys everything they pour into me. And today I want to go over the performance that I've experienced in my portfolio utilizing quantitative trading strategies, primarily the FedBot from Nurp. And if you guys haven't been documenting this journey with me, you can hit this link up above and see all the videos along the road of building this $50,000 account. No more rambling, let's see the data. Here is the Fed 50K account. I started this account back in late October, didn't really officially start trading until the 1st of November. And since I've started it, we've done a whopping 32% so far, almost 33% that is. My daily change has been 0.11%. The monthly average has been 3.22%, and the max drawdown that I've experienced is 8.40%. Again, the account was started with $50,000. Right now, the balance is sitting at $16,320. Essentially, I have profited $16,320 so far since starting this account. And the best part about this, it's been quite passive, probably as passive as you can get when it comes to making an active investment such as quantitative trading. To the far right, you see my graph. This is my equity curve and how well it has done. As you can see, it's been extremely smooth. There has been some news releases that has caused some volatility in the markets, which basically triggers the algorithm to get volatile as well. But one thing I want to mention with the volatility, typically if it's going against you, you'll go into a drawdown, and the drawdown of course would be unrealized, meaning it never really reflected in your overall balance in your account. But that's not what I want to talk about. What I want to talk about is look at the actual drawdown. So the yellow line, this is the equity growth. So this is active and open positions. As you can see, every time it dips low, it'll have an equal or greater recovery to mimic its drawdown. So over here back in June 3rd, when we had some crazy news finishing off the month previously, it trickled into the first week of June in a drawdown, which obviously led the account to, like I said, rebound quite aggressively. As you can see, the actual growth in the account did not reflect the drawdown because none of the trades were closed negative. They were just reflected negative using the margin. And once they closed, everything closed out in profit and the account actually grew quite a bit. And same thing right now. So we're currently in a drawdown. As you can see, the equity growth right here is down just a tad. And this is what it looks like when you're in a drawdown. So I'm glad I'm shooting this video at this current moment because now you guys get to understand what I mean by it not reflecting in your account. So as you can see here, the equity line is clearly pulled back, but the balance in the account is not negative, meaning the trades are open and active. They're just running in a deficit, which is reflecting in the equity curve. But the actual overall balance, the $66,000 in the account, is not affected until the trades are closed, which if the software repeats itself, the trades will actually close it positive, and I'll actually have a very good month here in July. But the purpose of this video is actually to go over the performance in June. So let's just go ahead and scroll down just a tad. One thing that I want to highlight, I know you probably are like, dude, you're not in your studio. And that's correct. I'm not in my studio. I'm actually in Spain at the moment. And I got here over the weekend. So today is Friday. And one thing I want to show you on this chart, which is the reason why I have it clicked on the daily, is to show you that while I've been in Spain, my software has been extremely active during this stay. So the weekend, the markets are closed. There's no trades happening. But Monday, the markets are open all the way, of course, to Friday. Let's just look at how active this algorithm is. Meanwhile, I'm enjoying the beautiful ambiance and views of Spain. Back on Monday, the account took 552 trades, and 492 of those trades were winning and 60 of them were losing. So we were at 89% profitable on Monday. Let's see how we did on Tuesday. So Tuesday, we took a grand total of 697 trades and 591 of them were winning trades, which means only 106 were losing trades. So we were 85% profitable on Tuesday. And mind you guys, I'm in Spain. I'm not actively trading. I'm not looking for setups. This software has basically automated the whole experience of trying to be a trader, trying to execute trades, and just done it for me, which is the beauty of it, because now I get to enjoy where I'm at and also work on business, not having to stress about my portfolio and try to make as much money as possible because the software will do it for me. Now let's check out Wednesday. So Wednesday we did a total of 781 trades, which we did 618 trades, which were winners, which means we won 79% of the trades. We only lost 163 out of that 781. Now Thursday, the software got extremely active, almost doing 1,000 trades in a single day. So on Thursday, we did 954 trades. 740 of the trades were winning, which means we won 77% of the trades, and 224 of the trades were losers. So we lost 23%. Now let's check Friday, which is the current day, and let me tell you what I've done here so far on Friday, just so you can kind of visualize how well this does while you get to enjoy yourself and not sit here and monitor anything. In fact, doing this video is far more work than running this algorithm. Today, I went out, I jumped in the ocean, I did a cold plunge, I did the sauna, I worked out for an hour and a half, I did a bunch of administrative tasks for companies, and while I'm doing all this, by the pool, enjoying the views, this software took today alone 912 trades, which means 740 of them were winners, making our win ratio on Friday today 81%. And the losing trades, we lost 172 of them, which means we only lost 19% of the trades. So Friday, while I've had this glorious day, I've had basically a robot, my trader robot, manage my portfolio and make over 900 trades and be extremely profitable while doing so. In fact, here comes room service. Yes, you can come. You could just put it on the table. I'm just shooting a video. Yeah, thank you. As you can see, all the trading is still happening even while that's happening. Now let's scroll down just a tad and let's see how we've done for the month of June. So the month of June, we did 4.41%. And that is one of the best performing months that we've had so far on this account. Now, mind you, again, a lot of people will say, why is it so low? I personally do not think 4% is low whatsoever, because if you think about the compounded growth of 4% over time will be life-changing, quite frankly. But also, on another note, the algorithm again is on the lowest risk setting possible. And if you're running an algorithm in your portfolio and you don't know how to change the risk, click this video up above. It'll teach you exactly how to change the risk on any pair or the entire software as a whole, and basically probably beat my performance because mine is on the lowest possible setting. But anyway, if you found any value or entertainment out of this, please leave me a like and a comment. Click the description down below if you want to see if you can harness the power of quantitative trading in your portfolio. And if you want to skip all the nonsense and speak directly to the team, go to the comments. There's a pinned comment that will take you straight to the team, and you get to talk to one of our members, and they will tell you everything that you need to know to make the most appropriate decision for your portfolio. Nonetheless, I'm going to go enjoy Spain, probably get some more sun, maybe take another dip in the ocean, maybe wrestle a shark. I don't know. But either way, whatever I do, it's still trading for me. And like always, my friends, peace.